Hello, we are starting third part of our practice video lesson. As you can see, another red is close to the cushion, so I must to start think how to get there right now. In this kind of angle, I can only play with the cushion, because without cushion, I would not be able to hold on the black on the right angle. So, play cushion first and make sure that cubo is slightly above black spot. Play this shot slightly below cubo center, 1.34 cushion speed. I am in a good position for the next red. I need to have just a tiny angle for the red, because it will make position for the black easier. I played a little bit too hard, and I have more angle than I expected. But it's not very easy, just more care and precision. Below cubo center, slightly right hand side, 1.5 cushion speed. Position for the black. One cushion position for the yellow ball. This shot is nothing special, just need to play shot in the right pace, and you will have a good position for the yellow ball. Top spin shot, 2 cushions speed. Make good position for the yellow, and I can easily clear colors. Yellow ball, I need to play power stun shot slightly with the left hand side, and make position for the green ball. 3 cushions, speed. Very simple positional play for the brown. I just need to play center cubo, 1/4 cushion speed. I have a smaller angle for the brown than I expected, so I need to play a power stun shot slightly below cubo center, with a tiny bit left hand side to make good position for the blue ball. 3.5 cushion speed. Cubo is slightly too high blue ball spot. I need to use 1 cushion and make position for the pink into the right corner pocket. Need to play stun shot slightly below cubo center with the tiny bit right hand side. Natural angle for the black. Simple pink, just roll in with the 1/4 cushion speed. It is probably the easiest black you can get. Just pot the ball. Stump follow center cubo, 3.5 cushion speed. If you will practice close cubo control, you will improve your touch, knowledge about the game, concentration, cubo control. Very good practice. Try to practice it every day. It will be beneficial for your game. If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.